our neighbours. Nice guys. British crew, seems like, and they're on the boat full time almost. Apparently they do 4 months on, 2 months off. So although there are quite a few clouds around, you can see it's such a pretty marina. Beautiful buildings, really, really friendly staff.
Just randomly walking around. How amazing is that?
Beautiful looking, aren't they?
Yeah.
What's it like?
Never use an expand machine.
It doesn't taste how I thought it would.
And you fall in your hand.
Oh.
Is it sweet?
No.
Hello? Not sweet. Not sweet, no.
It's nice, it's different. It's nice.
Want to have one?
Oh yeah, scoop out the centre.
My problem right now. Tomorrow I have to go and shop for a white man tomorrow. So that?
You want one?
You want a straw? Thank you.
Go on then, tell us what you think.
I'm just carrying myself.
It's alright, isn't it? Yeah, it's good.
You enjoying that?
Come on, Di, you got to have a go.
Oh, we're filming each other. Well, Dee?
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
Like it?
Yeah.
Oh my. It's a big cow.
Was a local dog or a cow?
Oh
Cow.
my God, why is that?
I don't know, but its horns are a bit big.
Yep.
So we just had a torrential downpour and got absolutely drenched.
Monsoon?
Look at the state of those two. God. Wet, muddy, disgusting, but what a lovely place.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Proper waterfall.
24. 6 more than 24.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Problem? Do we have an issue?
Yeah, I got spinal
Spinal
injury.
injury.
God.
So is it 6 each?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Oil down. This is the national dish in chocolate form.
Yes.
That's all right.
Yes, that's correct.
I heard that there's all sorts of stuff in oil down.
Yeah.
Like
So this is the milk.
Like
You could, definitely.
See, it's
Milk.
yeah, that's milk.
Okay.
This is dark.
I've got some change.
Dark chocolate.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool.
Anybody else would like to try?
Oh yeah, it's chocolate.
Absolutely.
Trying the oil down.
Oh, so that's the order? Yeah.
Yes.
Yellow one.
That's a milk. The milk is the square one you have, and then the dark is
That's all right.
Yeah?
the other one. Thank you. Okay.
You going to try some too?
Oh, yes.
It's not organic sugar. So we
So it's good for you.
very
Turmeric's good for you.
Actually, that yellow one's nice.
That yellow one is very nice.
Oh, yeah, that's good. It's the other one.
yes.
Chopping off his toes.
See the baby green lizard just on top of the chocolate there?
Oh, yeah. There was one on there. I don't think he's meant to be in there.
Nudge. Stop saying that.
You okay?
That makes the when you grate it.
Yeah.
It's actually a
So is it
round
coffee bean?
Cocoa beans, aren't
cocoa
they?
bean maybe, yeah. Does it smell like? No. Almond shake. Oh, there you go.
That's nice.
There's always one. There's always one.
Sure, it's chocolate.
Yeah. I'm sure that's cheaper than
Anthrax. Yeah.
So how many hours have you got to live?
Yeah, I was going to say, how you feeling?
I've got drugs, but not for that.
Yeah.
Wow.
Enjoy.
Yeah.
Or
So you
enjoy.
want-
That
Nice hearty
mouthful.
lunch
Yeah, I was
before
going
you
to say,
go.
have some more. Wow. Dried salted fish.
Fancy a bit of salt with your fish?
Yeah. Yeah, as you say, flies everywhere.
I heard him.
Smells so good.
Where are we at? What's it?
Grand Etang National Park.
Grand Etang.
E-T-A-N-G.
So you might see monkeys, armadillo, birds, a few trails.
Snakes. And then again, we might see nothing.
Yeah, a lot of mud.
Look at work, Marge. I know. You got the camera. Oh, I don't believe it.
I've got the camera.
There, yum.
Hello.
Oh, how nice is that?
He's like a meeting. Leave me alone. Oh.
Which is take the whole lot if you.
That is so cool.
Did you make them?
He's like my wife and kids are up there.
Behind him while he's eating.
Hang on, face this way so I can take a photo. Come on, hang on, let me take one from there.
Just trying to get some. Yeah. Want this one? Oh, look at that face. Yeah, you're not being whole buddy. Yes, you are. Got the whole thing.
Yeah, we'll take the whole thing.
How cool is that? Wow. You've just eaten 4 bananas. You're going to shit everywhere, aren't you?
Look at
Go to Kevin.
He's slowing down.
Right. We want
you on your phone?
Can we have a monkey chat?
Sorry, I can't hear you. Yeah, yeah. Just by the tree. Right. The big green one. Right.